I don't know if you're experiencing the same trouble as me. I'm very bad at allergy, especially the spring. But in the wintertime, the same thing happens to me. When I turn on the furnace, if it's winter is too cold, I turn it up and I feel my nose and just stuffed and sometimes tears coming out. And it interferes my sleeping. I feels very bad. So I'm looking for a filter that can reduce the most of the dust, microns, whatever. And also in the springtime, it reduces the pollen. Today, I just received the BNX filter. It's made in the USA. So the one thing you need to notice is that the MERV 13, it is a rating, allowing it to capture 93% of the microscopic airborne particles without impacting the airflows, such as virus carriers, bacteria, odors, smoke, pollen, pet danger, allergens, dust, lint, mold, dust mites, and smog. And MERV 13 has been recommended by the CDC for schools or hospitals. So why not choose a better filter that we want to achieve better air quality? So let's open the package and then I'm going to replace my old filter. Let's see how easy it is. So this is the filter and here you got a size. And they got different variety of sizes. You can choose the exact one you need. And don't forget here's airflow, so you need to place it in the right direction. So this is the location of the filter, and it's a good habit to remember the date. Now this one was overdue. It should be replaced at least 3 months. Let's take it out. This is airflow from outside to the inside, and this is the arrow, meaning the airflow go this way and the install this way. And then we just put a screw in. And insert the 2 clips. The filter fits in nicely, so it got spot to let you write down the date, but I prefer after you install and write the date right here. So next time we open it, you'll see just clearly when you should do it. And even though it says 3 months, but I think the 1 to 2 months is also very good. Alright, after we're done, and I'm gonna install the cover, the job is done. It's been a week since I using the BNX filter. I feel like the indoor air quality improves, and I feel like the air is clean, and usually I can smell something like burning outside or the exhaust from the car from outside, but now I've smelled nothing. I think it contributes to the good quality of the filter. I like it very much, highly recommend it. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.